Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Safari cannot open the page because too many redirects occurred. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to close this page. After that you have to open the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down and just simply you have to locate for the Safari app. Now from here you have to scroll it down and just simply you have to tap on advanced. Now from here you have to tap on website data and just simply remove the website data. You can easily see remove button here, just simply tap on that. Now go back from here and just simply you have to scroll it down. Now tap on clear history and website data, just simply you have to clear all the history. Then close this page. Now open the settings, turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds, then turn this off. And if you are using Wi-Fi, turn to mobile data, and if you are using mobile data, turn to Wi-Fi. Then make sure that you are not connected with the VPN. Now after that tap on general. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on date and time. From here guys, you have to make sure that your date and time is also correct and your time zone is correct. And after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings and you have to scroll it down, then tap on general. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down. Then from here you have to go to transfer or reset iPhone. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply tap on reset. From here you have to tap on reset network setting. From here guys, you have to put the passcode of your device. Now from here you have to put the screen time passcode and just simply tap on reset network setting. This will delete all network setting, returning them to factory defaults, and just simply force restart your device. And after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.